how to get rid of the Temu minimum purchase limit or minimum spending limit. So the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, to run the Temu.com's official site if you're using your laptop or PC. And if you're using your mobile device, then you just have to pull up or access the Temu application. So once you're here, you just have to make sure that you're fully logged into your account so we can get and go ahead and start it. Now there is no actual button or actual option for us just to change or to cancel any spending limit that we have on Temu. What we need to do is to coordinate with one of their supports. So there are two things that you can do. Either to click on the support tab right here and then heading directly to chat with Temu, or just heading directly to messages tab. Now this is for laptop or PC's version. Now if you're using the phone, then you just have to go to support tab and go with chat with Temu. Now we're gonna be using the on-screen prompts from the automated system. So all you have to do is just to type your main concern. Cancel minimum purchase limit. Then here you just have to follow through the automated prompts, and then you should be able to purchase any amount or any orders that you wanted to place on Temu. You just have to make sure that you just follow on-screen prompts in here for you to be able to completely remove the minimum limit. And that's how you do it. It's how you get rid of Temu's minimum purchase limit.